Hey, welcome to AutoTechWorld. This is just a short video of basically what you should not do. So, if you come around, look at the brakes here. Somebody must have changed the brake hose or the caliper or the pads or whatever, and they hooked it up wrong and you got to twist in the brake hose. If you have that, it's just two bolts that you got to undo. It's pretty easy, and then just turn the caliper around. I'll show you what to do. So you basically first just turn the wheel. You just push back the piston by putting your screwdriver or pry bar in your rotor vents and then just pry it back. Just like that. And that will loosen up your caliper. Sometimes you'll have the nut spinning, so you just have to either try to hold with your hand. If you can't hold with your hand, put a plier on here or a wrench if you can, and then just undo it. And of course, you should also do this lower one, just like you did the upper one. Unfortunately, it did not make it onto the video. And that should loosen up your caliper and give you a chance to twist it around, and then you can put it back on. And as you can see, the hose is straight now. It wasn't that big of a deal. I don't know why it was wrong in the first place, but there you go. It's as simple as that. Just put your two bolts back in here, just torque them, and you're set. Get them started. On this truck, we're torquing them down to 24 foot-pounds. That's it. You also might as well want to clip in this, the ABS wire, or wheel speed sensor wire, to your brake hose. That looks a lot better already. Now, if you like my big no-no or don't do it video, make sure you give it a thumbs up and subscribe to see more videos. Otherwise, thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.